Doing free trials absolutely suck. You get the worst clients, they don't convert, and they ask you for extended trials every single time. What's up, you guys? Hey, behind me on the whiteboard right there, I have a better method to get paid more. It's called free delivery. Let me show you how to do it. All right, this strategy is called free delivery. All right, now let's focus first on what you're currently doing. Now you're currently offering free trials. Why do you offer a free trial? Well, because one, you don't know what else to offer. You've seen everyone else doing that and you're not sure how else to differentiate yourself. So you offer the free trial thinking that's the thing that's going to get people to sign up for my software. The problem with free trials is it instantly signals to the audience, cheap, low fees, this is not any different than anything else. That's the only thing unique they have to offer. Well, when you're selling features like reviews, like websites, certain automation, quite frankly, you are in the low ticket category. So that's the number one thing. The number one thing is your model is broken. Now I'm going to show you what model works so you can start getting these results. But first, let's see what people will actually pay you for once you trigger the value. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start here. So, and you'll notice, by the way, this goes in descending order in terms of value, or I should say ascending order. The more value you create, the more you're going to get paid and the faster you're going to get paid. So the first thing that is worth money to an end client is what? Qualified leads, okay? Qualified leads. Businesses need fresh blood every single month. You can't continue to go back to the well and do database reactivation. That will not work. It might work the first month, but after that, they need more, more blood, more qualified leads into their system. So when you go to the market and you say, hey, we can get you 10 leads in X amount of time frame, that is something that they see as very valuable. Now I'm gonna tell you how to get paid for something I call free delivery, but I wanna go through each one of these first. So qualified leads is number one. Well, what comes after that? Booked appointments, all right? Well, is a booked appointment worth more than a lead? Yeah, because it's actually on their calendar. So that has more value. Again, we're going up in value, is in terms of a booked appointment is better than a qualified lead. What's next? Well, when people show up for their booked appointments, you look amazing. You look awesome. And that is the next thing, show rate. All right. And then last, of course, the thing that is worth the most is actual sales. If you can get people sales, they will always pay you. They will pay you every single month. Now, the question is, yeah, Sam, this is cool. I get this. How do I do that? What is the model that you need to generate these things? Because I can tell you the difference between a free trial and free delivery is one thing. It's a trigger. As soon as you can trigger whatever value you align with, you get paid. For example, as soon as you generate 10 leads in 7 days, we'll call it, right? If you agree with the customers, we don't get paid until we do this thing, you can generate 10 leads in a day. And boom, instead of a 14-day free trial, they see the value, they pay you as soon as you trigger that value, or as soon as you book them an appointment. And I would probably say for most leads, this is going to be the one, because it's easy to do. It's easier than ever to do now. And you can say, hey, as soon as we book you 3 appointments, then you convert into a paid customer, easy peasy. So this is the hierarchy of value. Now let's show you the model that will do this for you and do it for you simply. So this is the 3-step value system, which by the way, I'm gonna have a full guide on how to get that below the video. You can download it. It'll tell you exactly detail how to do this, including tools to help you do each one of these things. So the first thing is step number 1 before you do anything else is not just pick a niche, but be positioned within a niche. So if you're doing the same thing as everybody else, you're competing with everybody else. You don't want to do that in this game. You want to be very narrow and very specific. The more specific your target, the easier it is to hit the bullseye. Now, I know you're thinking, well, I'd like to go after all these crazy big businesses. That, my friends, is the key to charging low ticket. That is the key to low ticket SaaS. If you want to charge everything to everybody, you're at 97, 297. That's as high as you go. The more specific you go, and when you start delivering value, you start at 497. You start at 497. you go up to $9.97 or sometimes even more. You can have an amazing six-figure agency if you start selling high-ticket SaaS instead of low-ticket SaaS. So that is number one, which is your niche. Number two, and this is the big one, is what I call A+ ads. What does A+ ads mean? Well, first, UpHex has a library full of ads that are proven to work. But recently, we rolled out our performance algorithm that allows you with a single click to click a button and get a grade on what the performance will be. How do we know? We generate 8,000 leads plus per day, map what the best things are, and put them in a performance algorithm. You click the buttons, and all you need are 3 to 6 of those ads in your library so you can start doing, step one was leads, and then showing appointments, all that kind of stuff. You can start doing that literally within 30 minutes. You need A+ ads. If you want to start being the go-to resource for that end customer to get new blood into their business, leads, you need the best ads possible. Quality ads, and anybody can do this now. You don't have to be a media buyer anymore. Anybody can do this. If you're brand new, you can do this. All right, step number 3, nurture and close. Most of your leads are not going to convert on the first touch. Data shows that it's after 8 to 12 touches. All right, well, what does that mean? Well, you need a tool like HighLevel installed with all of the lead nurturing aspects that are going to help you take that person from a lead into a booked appointment and into a shown appointment. That is all you need. You need a niche, you need UpHex, you need HighLevel. You put those things together and all of a sudden you have a high ticket SaaS that you can charge $497 plus every single month. There's a guide below this video. It will walk you through the entire process if you want to learn. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next video.